Chewy, you got your delicious. Is that your crunchy? Yes. Good morning, my peeps. Checking in on my way to church. Me and Allie are running late as usual. But the parking lot's all torn up. We're building the new sanctuary. And we are going to have to figure out where we're going to park and get a good spot and hustle in. Hopefully we'll make it before they start singing, but just never know. Anyway, I wanted to check in, tell you guys I love you. It's Sunday. This is the day that the Lord has made. And we will rejoice and be glad in it. Love y'all.
The prison, 'cause I've worn shackles and chains, but I've been freed and forgiven. I'm not going back. I'll never be the same. I just want to sing.
We're 202 subscribers. Thank you guys. I'm amazed. Okay, we had meatball subs again, but they were just as good. We had that for lunch. And I'm going to make this chocolate cake recipe out of the air fryer recipe book. So I'm going to give it a whirl and let's see how the air fryer does at baking a chocolate cake. I think I've got everything. This is possibly the worst chocolate cake I've ever had in my life. Not only is it half cooked, and I cooked it for extra time, mind you, but the flavor, the recipe itself is awful. Really bad. 2 thumbs down, 0 stars. Don't do it. So this is my cake, my celebratory cake, my 200 subscriber cake, but you know, no. I'll do a funfetti cake maybe tomorrow and do it upright, because if this is my 200 subs celebratory cake, I am in trouble. I'm gonna see my subs go down. Alright guys, but thank you so much. Love y'all.
You know
Guys, so band practice practice is getting ready to wrap up. Chewy's here, chewing on this disgusting, stinking cow hoof in my lap, mind you. Why you do things like this? Ooh, it smells. Gosh, he loves this thing though. I mean, I think he thinks he ate the whole cow and all that's left is the hoof. You did it. You did it, my boy. It's a tough boy. Yeah, you get that cow. Anyway, just wanted to wrap it up. Go ahead and upload. Get everything edited and then uploaded, obviously. Had a fun day. I'm all wrinkly. And there's no school tomorrow, so I get to be spared that craziness. And then Tuesday, they're forecasting we're supposed to be getting 1 to 2 inches of either snow, ice, or freezing rain / sleet. So they have no idea what's going to happen, but something's happening Tuesday night. So you know how excited I am about that. The only person, or object I should say, more excited than that is Molly. She's already preparing. She's like, yeah, we're not going anywhere. Wednesday, you forget it. Well, guys, just wanted to say thank you again. 200 subs is way more than I ever thought. I thought literally I was going to have like 15. That's the honest. Thought I had 15 subs. Maybe some family members, you know, see what goes on my day-to-day. So the fact that 200 of you took the time to subscribe, and there's so many of you that comment every vlog, and if you even knew how much that meant to me, it's what keeps me motivated to keep vlogging and just share a little bit of my life, a little bit of Jesus's love with you, and I just hope I can continue to do so. Bye, y'all. Good night.